If you're looking for a very relaxing place in Japan to escape the heat this summer, Ushitaki River is one of the best places to go. Ushitaki River is an underrated river located in Kishiwada, Osaka. It is very long and the whole area is huge, but is well maintained and is very clean. It is also situated in the middle of Kishiwada Mountains and is pretty far from the center, so you're guaranteed a very peaceful time while being there. In summer, a lot of families go to Ushitaki River to enjoy a barbecue party with family and friends. In autumn, it's also one of the best places to see the beautiful autumn leaves. Within the Ushitaki River area, you'll find an indoor hot spring facility, a temple nearby, a rental cottage in case you want to stay overnight, a camping area, and a lot more. There is a vending machine too in case you run out of drinks. Of course, there are several restrooms available. Whether you want to go there to spend time with your family and friends or to just sit in peace while listening to the sound of the water, see some beautiful flowers, or enjoy the beauty of the sky and the mountains, there will always be a spot just for you.